Natalia from Mamatime Posh, and I wanted to talk about this Thredup box that I got recently. And I tried the method that Nicole states and Mackenzie tried and showed in their channels, and I looked for items that were listed as unbranded on Thredup and checked the items that the sellers had and see if they had decent stuff, and then I purchased some of them. So here's what I got. So this dress I actually found on Google Lens, and it is Rebecca Minkoff one, so that was a pretty good deal. I only paid, I believe, $5 for it. I have this jacket. This one I didn't know what it was, so I saw it and I got it for a pretty decent price, for about $5. So this is items I'm going to be sending to Real. This one I bought and I used coupon like Nicole States mentioned, like find items you like, and this is very good brand, be on the lookout. And Prabal Gurung something, it has a sticker there. And yes, this is very good brand to buy, and I use my $10 off coupon and add it to the bundle. So that's what you can do if you have lots of lots of coupon codes, I guess, on and lots of points on Thredup. You can use them for $10 off. And if you already started bundle, like you have items that you want to be returned to you, you can take like the 7-day bundle option, and this way whatever you buy within 7 days would like count in one shipping. Or if you are over $80, sorry about my dog. Sorry about that. So if you purchase over, I think $80 or $79, you're gonna have for shipping. So next item, I thought looked really interesting. I thought it looked like some kind of designer. I could not tell really from the pictures. It was listed, I'm not sure if it was leather or not, but yeah, it looked really cool. It has this cool closure, very unusual. And I kept thinking, like, I saw the designer name there, and when I was looking at on Google Lens, it just kept popping like really high-end designer styles. But unfortunately, this is no designer, some kind of, I don't know, even this brand XYZ, I don't know. And it's definitely not leather, but bags on Thredup are not returnable. I'll see if I can complain and see if something is off, the condition or something, if they would still take it. So I'll have to try that. So that was not a good way to buy unbranded items. Next item, I got this dress, which vintage silk beaded dresses and tops sell for me pretty well. But unfortunately, this one has a bunch of missing beads, so it will be going back, or I will contact Thredup. Next item, I got this bag, and I did know that this was Vera Peel or Hella, whatever you pronounce it, and it is genuine leather. Let me see if I can show you that bag. I don't know, you can see. There we go. It's a very cute bag. I would totally rock this bag myself. So that was a good deal. All those things I got for, I believe, under 10 or under $10. This one was listed as Chi, or CHI, which Let me show you the tag. And I've sold this brand before, and this is actually Carlos Falchi brand. So it's like one of his side brands. So I knew what it was, and I got it for under $10, which I thought it was a great deal. It is genuine soft leather. So I'll be selling that one. Next one was listed as Unbranded, and I was like, wow, this looks like Rebecca Minko, and it sure does. But unfortunately, there's no brand inside, so it truly is unbranded. So it's a cute bag, but you know, not worth the money I paid for. And last bag, which was, I believe, unbranded too. There's a little turn lock, cute bag. And this one I did see on the back that in fact it is fancier brand. So this one I'll be sending to Real or Thredup, and that was worth it. So that's it from that box. So I would say that method that they said with unbranded or using your coupon is good if they are items that you can return. But when I was ordering this, I don't know, I forgot, I guess, I don't know what I was thinking, but I forgot that you cannot return bags. So do not try buying unbranded items when there are bags, because chances are that you're gonna get junk and you cannot return it. And then also, if you get, you know, unbranded items, buy the ones that you can return, like clothes. And also remember to use coupons if you can, and build that bundle. It's a great deal. And yeah, I think that I'm not going to be buying bags again, even though I had another item that was amazing, and I found it on Google Lens, and it was this high-end designer bag, and that was a special collection that was from Tron, the movie, but it was leather bag, and it was designer that made it in that, you know, futuristic look, and it was amazing. And I was getting it for about $8. Unfortunately, I guess somebody in Thredup figured out what it was, because they were selling it as unbranded, and I found it on Google Lens, or I don't know, they said they couldn't find it. So unfortunately, I didn't get that one, and I got just a refund. So that was not great, because that was the bag that made me buy all those things. That was the basis of my purchase, and they didn't have it. So that's another unfortunate thing that can happen on Thredup. But overall, I believe that Thredup has amazing deals, and you should definitely shop there for resale. So I hope you like this video. Remember, guys, to like, subscribe, help me out, spread the word. Thank you for watching. Bye.